don't like this one, like a letter. See, it's very simple and not simple, it's plain. I don't like anything about letter, it looks weird. See, like that? I don't like it. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Look at that. You just buy a holy monk and go home and make offerings. Just streets and streets and streets of Buddha items. So beautiful. Holy monks for sale. High monks of Thailand people take home to worship. It's in Shakyamuni Post. Beautiful. This is the fasting Buddha. Fasted for 6 years, eating 1 grain of rice per day. I'm going to invite this man to the Ladrong Forest to worship and collect merit. Beautiful. Look at it.
I mean,
so holy.
Even all the veins and all this.
Much better than Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds, I wasn't impressed at all. It was okay only, but this one's beautiful. Look.
So realistic. Look at the face.
Beautiful. It looks like it's a real person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very holy. The Schnauzer dog, huh? Yeah. If you train, very easy to train. Very, very smart. So my dog one, I train. Sit, stay, go, they listen. No problem. If don't train, when grow bigger, it's very wild.
Crazy.
Yeah, like crazy.
Yeah, jump.
น้ำทรายก็มีค่ะ
Malaysia, how much?
I don't know. We need to call Cuban. Buy Cuban immediately.
Can you check for me? Yeah. Three piece 2% Malaysia, how much? This one there. Black. Oh, so many, how much?
500 baht
500. Oh, okay, okay.